Beautiful souls. You ever have those moments where you're ready to give up? When it feels like every door is slammed in your face, and no matter how hard you push, nothing budges? Trust me, I've been there. But there's something powerful, something unbreakable, that's helped me keep moving forward. Faith. Now, I'm not just talking about faith like a wish or a hope, I mean real, unwavering faith, the kind that whispers keep going when everything else screams stop. It's that deep trust, that belief that there's a reason for the struggle and that somehow, you're meant to come out stronger on the other side. There's a line from Psalm 91 that always centers me. He is my refuge and my fortress, my God, in whom I trust. Those words remind me, I'm not alone. There's something bigger than my fears, bigger than my setbacks. And if I can put my trust in that, call it God, call it the universe, call it whatever you want, I can keep moving, even when the path isn't clear. Let's talk about success. People say it's about grinding, hustling, being the first one in and the last one out. And yeah, that matters. But faith? That's the fuel. Faith is what gets you out of bed when motivation runs dry. Faith is what lets you stare down failure and say, not today. Because you know there's a purpose behind every setback. You know you're being shaped for something bigger, even if you can't see it yet. But here's the real secret. Faith doesn't erase fear. It doesn't mean you'll never doubt yourself or have bad days. Faith just means you believe there's a way through, that you are not alone in this fight, and that every storm will eventually pass. So if you're on the edge right now, if you're wondering whether you should keep chasing that dream, I want you to hear me. Don't let go. Find your anchor. Hold on to faith like your life depends on it, because sometimes, it does. Success isn't just about what you achieve, it's about who you become. And when you walk with faith, you become stronger, braver, and wiser. So, take that leap. Keep trusting. Your fortress is stronger than you think. Thanks for listening. If this spoke to you, share it with someone who needs a little faith today. And remember, you've got this.